Hi, we're going to read a story today. What is that? It's a penguin. That's right. It's a story about a penguin, and he gets the hiccups. Little penguin gets the hiccups. Oh, hello. It's nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on a chilly night. Uh-oh, he ate a bowl of chili. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink from a cup. Albert, my friend, told me to stand on my head while drinking from a cup. But nothing works. I still have the hiccups. But Franklin has given me an idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, best way to get rid of them. So I need you to scare me. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice when you scare me. You're going to say, boo. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, boo. Let's see if it worked. Oh, is that it? Okay, let's try it again, but this time let's be just a little bit louder and see if we can scare the hiccups away. 1, 2, 3, boo! Oh, it looks like we scared them. Let's see if they went away. Oh, that was pretty scary. Maybe you cured my, oh, no, we didn't. Oh, well, I have the hiccups forever. Okay, let's try this one more time. And this time, be really loud and go crazy. Are you ready? Be really loud and see if we can get them to go away. Ready? 1, 2, 3, boo! Franklin! What on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump on me, and now my feathers are all wet, and my mom is going to go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to go and wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. Wait, my hiccups, they're gone. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. You scared the hiccups. Let's celebrate with some nice, spicy tacos. Uh-oh. Oh no. I ate a spicy taco and the hiccups are back. What do you think we should do to help them get rid of the hiccups again? That's right. We should say, boo, and scare them away. Bye, friends.